Hello folks, my name is Rich.White with Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to be showing you a pre-owned 2018 Lance 865. It's built for a short box truck camper. It's got, of course, electric jacks. The Lance is one of the better built campers on the market today. We sell them new, and this is a great pre-owned unit. Let's take a look inside. For a truck that has a 6-foot bed, this is a great camper. You've got the booth. This table slides out so people can sit behind it. It's got the smaller gas electric fridge in it with a separate freezer compartment. Nice sleeping area. It's of course got dual pane windows. It's got the gas oven, 3-burner stove. It's got a place if you want to put a microwave in it. A lot of people that are out in the boondocking in these things don't care to have a microwave, but we can sure have one. It's got the AM/FM Jensen stereo in it. Of course, electric jacks. Your single basin sink here with Moen faucet. Nice wet bath. It's got a fantastic fan up here on the ceiling. One of the things that is unique with the Lance is the way they build them. They're built with Asdel in the walls. Asdel will not delaminate, will not mold or get moisture or mildew. So you don't see those bubbles that you can see in a camper. On a Lance. Just 99% chance it will never delaminate. It's a great camper and a great pre-owned vehicle. Folks, it's got the steps that attach to the outside, the rack to access the roof, nice grab handle. Of course, the rear electric awning. You've got your jacks right here. Storage for your sewer hose. This is your propane bottle. It's got the frameless windows, and they are dual pane. Please give me a call at 541-521-8914 if you have any questions on this camper, and we do have plenty of new ones also in inventory. Thanks for your time.